Hello there. Welcome to Suffolk Apple. Today, we're delving into the incredible world of Moringa. This nutrient-packed plant is often called the miracle tree for its numerous health benefits and versatile uses. So, let's embark on this Moringa journey together. Moringa, scientifically known as Moringa oleifera, is native to the foothills of the Himalayas in India. However, it's now grown in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. This fast-growing, drought-resistant tree is truly remarkable. Historically, moringa has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and as a nutritional supplement. Ancient civilizations valued moringa for its healing properties and its ability to thrive in harsh environments. Today, moringa is celebrated for its superfood status. From the leaves to the seeds, nearly every part of the moringa tree is edible and packed with nutrients. Let's explore some of the impressive health benefits it offers. First, moringa leaves are incredibly rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium and iron. Second, moringa contains powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Third, it supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. And fourth, moringa has been shown to boost the immune system, making it a great addition to your diet. Let me share a little story. I once decided to add moringa powder to my morning smoothie. The vibrant green powder not only enhanced the nutritional value, but also gave it a unique earthy flavor. It was a simple yet effective way to incorporate moringa into my daily routine. Now here's an unusual fact. The moringa tree is often called the drumstick tree because of its long, slender pods. These pods, along with the leaves and seeds, are highly nutritious and used in various culinary dishes around the world. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try incorporating moringa into a new recipe this week. Whether it's adding moringa powder to your smoothie, making a moringa tea, or cooking with moringa leaves, get creative and share your results with us in the comments. Thanks for joining us on this moringa journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. What plant should we delve into next? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. Bye for now.